Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your runtime and locating where the snapped K flex originates. Once done, attach a controller or callback to that widget so you can observe the value as it changes. Make sure to add lightweight logging or a debug overlay to capture the flex number immediately when the snap happens. You want to collect the raw flex integer or double at the moment of snapping rather than guessing from layout. This gives reliable inputs for the next steps. Now you capture the values and interpret them. Attach a listener to an update or the snapping callback. When it fires, read the pixel size, then convert that measurement to the widget's flex scale by dividing by the base flex pixel value. Once you map pixel deltas to flex ratios, round or floor to the nearest integer to get the snapped K index. Keep a small cache of distinct positions so you can recognize repeated snaps and avoid noise. Finish by exposing the captured snapped K flex via a getter, stream, or state update so other code consumes it cleanly. Once done, apply a debounce or 0.5 pixel threshold to filter jitter and ensure consistent integer K outputs. If things go wrong, first check parent constraints and media query values because layout shifts change pixel to flex mapping. Then validate your rounding strategy. Make sure to log raw pixel values to diagnose mismatches quickly and iterate until snaps are stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.